guys, welcome back to another video with a Rusty Blades YouTube barber. We're gonna open this box today that I received. Totally unexpected, didn't know it was coming. I'm gonna have a look inside here, see what we've got. And there we have the new Stylecraft Pro Instinct X. I'm gonna open this box up. I'm gonna run through some of the specifications on it. And at the end I'll measure the clipper and I will weigh and I'll compare it to its predecessor, the Stylecraft Instinct. Let's stop messing about and let's have a look and see what's in the box. Straight off the bat we've got some lovely packaging as always. We've got the clipper and two other lids here, the red and the white. I really like the white one. We've got the charging dock with the gold accent on there as well. Always gives it a nice little touch when it's got that on it. The power lead that you get so you can plug that in. It is a US one, so I would have to get an adapter for that. You get the full set of double magnetic guards, the premium guards from 0 up to a 6. Your USB lead so you can use it on the go. Your little bag of knickknacks, so you've got the stretch bracket, a little brush, cam follower, levers, some screws. If you want to see the motor, you get the clear front. The customary Stylecraft screwdriver, so you can change the lids. The blade protector. And you also get your warranty card and your instructions, so it'll tell you exactly what's inside the box. We'll have a look at some specifics now. It has the black diamond fade blade, the new shallow 2.0 cutting blade, the vector motor, fully zero gappable, 3 extra cases, the vector motor intuitive torque control that detects resistance, lithium ion battery for 4 hours of runtime with 2 hours charge. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and it comes with all the guards from a 0 to a number 6. Now it's time to get this bad boy out. Let's pop the lid. So there you have it. That is the fade blade. I'm not a massive fan of the fade blade just because I don't feel like I'm that good, so it's not as forgiving. The click levers. This is the 2.0 shallow cutting blade, so it's meant to give a really nice smooth cut. It is a lovely ergonomic clipper. If you do like the Gamma Ergo, you're going to absolutely love this. USB charging port, so you can charge on the go. Runs very much like the Instinct, maybe a bit quieter. As you can see there, the size difference, it does make a difference, especially if you've got big hands like me. Let's have a listen to the power of them both together. They do sound very similar, as you would expect. Let's measure them now. So the Instinct X actually comes in at 7 inches. The mini original Instinct comes in at a tiny 6 inches. Let's just weigh them. So the Instinct original one comes at 213 grams, and the Instinct X, which is slightly a bit bigger, comes in at 228 grams. Right guys, so that was the Stylecraft Pro Instinct X new clipper. It's gonna fly off the shelves in no time. If you want to pre-order it, I believe they're taking pre-orders for it now over at stylecraftus.com. If you do pre-order it and you want to save some money, you can use my code RUSTY15. That will save you 15%. You can use that over at Stylecraft US and you can use it at Gamma Plus. I've been the Rusty Blade YouTube barber. If you want to stick a thumbs up, you can. If you want to put a thumbs down, by all means do that. Subscribe if you want to, unsubscribe if you want to, and I'll catch you in the next one.